In English, we say, I give, he receives. So receives means P-A-Y-A, pi. It's clear. Even in the BBT translation, it says he receives the seed of bhakti from Krishna. Brahmanda Brahmatikon Bhagavan Jeev. Someone's very fortunate. Guru Krishna Prasadi. It's Krishna Prasad, because either you get Bhakta Prasad first or Krishna Prasad. Generally, what we observe, that people usually get Krishna Prasad. But now, if you go a little deeper, in this life, I got Krishna Prasad, because Krishna favored me and sent me to the temple. Krishna favored me and inspired me to be a vegetarian, to prepare me for the next installment of his mercy. So the first mercy came as prarana. You know prarana? Prarana means inspiration, coming from heart. Oh, this is not a good way of life, I'd be vegetarian.